Hey students, it's me again. Next thing we're going to do is the immune system. And so the immune system is kind of tied together with the lymph, but it's got some separate elements to it. So first of all, we got to think about the defenses you have in your body, and we divide those down into the innate, right, system, and then we have the adaptive system that we have. So for the innate, there's a lot of things that you have to protect you that's out there, such as your skin, cutaneous layer, along your respiratory tract and digestive tract, and all through your body. You have various skin mucosa that's going to be protecting you against various things that can enter. Really big one is through your respiratory tract, through your nose and nasopharynx and all that. We have different kinds of cells too that are very important. We have the phagocytes, which are going to be cruising through there, killing what they can find, and the natural killer cells too, another group we're going to look at. A big aspect to what we're going to be covering in the immune system is going to be the inflammation, looking how that works. I mean, that inflammation is how we heal, so it's a very, very important thing to understand. Oftentimes we spend our time trying to figure out how to deactivate it, when actually it is the healing process that we have, so bear that in mind. There's a lot of antimicrobial proteins that we're going to be looking at too, that are going to be good for fighting different kinds of organisms that are trying to enter us. Fever is another important thing. Did you know that we often make the fever happen? It's kind of interesting. All right. And then we move on to the adaptive immune system, where we're going to look at antigens, and we're going to look at complete antigens and antigenic determinants, and we're going to look at self-antigens and all this kind of business, and we're going to learn about allergies with haptens. That's another aspect to it. Okay. Then we're going to go into great detail on the different lymphocytes that we have and how they work, as well as antigen-presenting cells, which is kind of interesting. We'll look at the humoral immune response, okay, where we're going to be looking at B cells, and how B cells are activated and how they become plasma cells, and antibodies are coursing through your blood, okay? And of course the memory that is set up. We then look at active and passive humoral immunity, and the active form and the passive, which is could not be made but be given to you. And then of course we spend some time looking at antibodies, the shapes of antibodies, the different kinds of antibodies that we have. And then we move on to cell-mediated immune system, and we're looking at T cells here. And so you'll learn about the CD4 and CD8 cells, about the T helpers and the killer Ts and all that, and how they go out and take care of different things that could attack your body. Okay, we'll look at organ transplants and rejections and stuff like that, and as well as immunodeficiencies. Anyway, so the immune system is a big chapter. It's a difficult chapter, and it's a very important one for staying healthy. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, bye.